Dear friends, today I will tell you about the highest peak in the United States of America that's called Denali. Denali, formerly known as Mount McKinley, is the tallest peak in the North America, rising to an elevation of 12,310 feet, which is 6,190 meters above sea level. Located in south central Alaska within Denali National Park and Preserve, this majestic mountain dominates the Alaska's range and serves as a powerful symbol of natural grandeur and geological wonders. The name Denali originates from the Koikon Athabaskan people and means the high one in their native language, reflecting centuries of reverence by indigenous Alaskans. The mountain's imposing stature and isolation make it one of the most prominent peaks on Earth, with a vertical relief greater than that of Everest when measured from base to summit. Denali's climate is notorious hot, with temperatures frequently plummeting below minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit and conditions that challenge even the most experienced mountaineers. Despite its extreme environments, the mountain attracts thousands of climbers annually who seek to summit its icy ridges and stand atop the continent's roof. The mountain's geological composition includes granite formed during the Cretaceous period, which contributes to its rugged and enduring appearance. In addition to its dramatic landscape, Denali National Park encompasses over 6 million acres of protected wilderness, offering habitat to a diverse array of wildlife, including grizzly bears, caribou, moose, wolves, and dull sheep. The park also features expansive tundra, glacier-fed rivers, and boreal forest, creating a pristine ecosystem that supports both scientific research and recreational exploration. The renaming of the mountain to Denali in 2015 by the US Department of the Interior was a significant cultural and political gesture, honoring indigenous heritage and resolving a long-standing debate between federal naming conventions and native traditions. Historically, the mountain was dubbed Mount McKinley in 1896 by a prospectus supporting then presidential candidate William McKinley, though McKinley had no direct connection to Alaska. The restoration of its original name reflects a broader movement to recognize and preserve indigenous place names and narratives. Denali presence has not only shaped a region's geography but also inspired generations of explorers, naturalists, and artists who find meaning in its sheer scale and serenity. The park's scenic vistas, often highlighted by the elusive view of Denali's snow-capped summits emerging from a veil of clouds, to photographers and visitors seeking an intimate experience with untamed wonderlands. Accessibility to the mountain and park is primarily via the Denali Park Road, which wades through breathtaking terrain and offers limited vehicular access to preserve the landscape's ecological integrity. As global temperatures rise, Denali's glaciers and snowpack are closely monitored for environmental change, making it an important site for climate research. In essence, Denali stands as a testament to natural resilience, beauty, and cultural significance, a towering monument that continues to captivate hearts and minds across continents. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and support me.